Hey folks, good evening and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. And this afternoon I got my Stampede Vxl running on a 3-cell lipo. I just wanted to give her some throttle and have some fun today, do some freestyle shots. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in RC Overdose. Guys, the Stampede is amazing. Alright guys, so the session ends here. The lighting is pretty off, so I'm not able to enjoy the camera shots, but I enjoyed the RC time a lot, so I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. And I'll see you guys next time. It's time to make another RC video. Stay tuned on my channel and have yourself a great day. Peace.